In this video, we're comparing GetResponse's Autoresponder and automation features to help you decide which one is the best for your needs. If you're trying to choose between the two, you'll want to stick around until the end, because I'm also sharing an exclusive deal on a competitor that could really change the game for you. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to clarify what each feature is all about. The Autoresponder is, essentially, a simple email marketing tool. It allows you to set up a series of emails that automatically get sent when someone subscribes to your list. This is great for lead nurturing or sending a welcome series to new subscribers. But if you're looking for more than just basic email follow-ups, the autoresponder might feel a little limited. Next thing, GetResponse's automation feature takes things to the next level. It allows you to create more complex workflows where you can trigger multiple actions based on user behavior. It's a powerful tool that enables you to send personalized content based on how subscribers engage with your emails or website. If you want to really segment your audience and tailor your approach, automation is the better option. But it does come with a steeper learning curve. Setting up these automated workflows can take some time and requires a bit more expertise compared to the autoresponder. The third thing to consider is flexibility. The autoresponder is perfect for straightforward, time-based email sequences. But if you want to customize your email flows with specific conditions, like sending a special offer if someone opens an email but doesn't click a link, that's where automation really shines. You can create highly targeted and dynamic campaigns that adapt to your subscribers' actions. Next up, let's talk about pricing. If you're on a budget, the autoresponder might be a better choice, especially since it's more straightforward and doesn't require as much configuration. However, if you want to really make the most of your email marketing, the automation feature might justify the extra investment. But it's worth noting that GetResponse is not the only player in the field. The fourth thing is that while GetResponse offers great features for both autoresponder and automation, there are other tools out there that might give you more advanced automation features, better integrations, and sometimes even a simpler user interface. Tools like ActiveCampaign and MailerLite offer highly flexible automation, and I'd argue they're worth looking into if you really want the most bang for your buck. Now, here's the thing: GetResponse is solid, but depending on your goals, another competitor might be the perfect fit for you. And at the end of this video, I'll share an exclusive offer for you to try out one of these competitors risk-free with a trial that's better than anything GetResponse offers. So, whether you're a beginner or someone looking to scale your email marketing efforts, it's crucial to pick the right tool for your specific needs. While GetResponse can work for both simple autoresponders and more complex automation, don't ignore the competition, because there are some incredible alternatives that might suit your business goals more effectively. If you're interested in exploring some of these alternatives with a free trial, make sure to check out the link below for our exclusive offer. You'll get access to the best trials and unique benefits only available to our viewers. Plus, I'll break down the features of these alternatives in the next video, so stay tuned.